This is Honor 70, and today we would like to figure out whether this device has a fingerprint sensor. So to begin with, let me quickly review the frame of it. So there is no scanner at either side, none at the bottom, none at the top, none at the back. So there is a good chance that the sensor on it is located underneath the screen, if it is any. So we will go to the settings, go for the biometrics and password, and as you can see, the system provides us with an opportunity to set up the fingerprint ID, which basically proves the fact that the fingerprint scanner on this device is present. So let me show where to look for it. Yep, and as you can see, it is located underneath the screen at the bottom part of it, at the lower part of it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye-bye.